Come in.
I'm so sorry to disturb you.
Sorry enough to leave?
You know, the defense you put up on this was quite admirable. Did it ever occur to you that you might be fighting the wrong battle? Do you remember the first time I went away and left you alone?
What does that have to do with anything?
These are high-res photos of you and your ex-husband. You can verify anything in there with my lawyer or the clerk at the hotel.
You're just not that fun at parties. Are you, Miles? Your sick little games